5. Okay, our question 5 is from 2006, which is the question 34 of that year. It says if K2 is bracket base 6 times 3 base 6 equals to 3 base 5 times K4 base 5. Okay, option A says 1, option B says 2, option C says 3, option D says 4. Can we just try it out? I'll just give it a try. So, okay. Now, we have K2 base 6. We have to convert all to base 10 to make work easier. So, converting this, we have K times 6 plus 2 times 6 times 3 times 6 equals to 3 times 5 times K times 5 plus 4 times 5. This is of degree 0, this is of degree 1. This standing alone, degree 0. This is also of degree 0 standing alone. This is of 0 and this is of 1. So we have here 6K plus this is 2. They are all in brackets. Times 6 raised to power 0 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3 equals 5 raised to power 0 is 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus this 5K plus, sorry, this is multiplication, plus 4 times 5 is 5 raised to power 0 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. So we have here 18K plus 6 equals to, this is also in brackets, we have 15K plus 12. 3 times 4, 12. So collecting like terms, we have 3K equals to 12 minus 6. And 3K equals to 6, our K, which is 6 over 3. And that is what? 2. So our option there is option B. The correct option is option B, which is 2. Question 6. Our question 6 is from the year 1980, which is the question 29 of that year. It says 1011 base 2 raised to power 2 minus 101 base 2 raised to power 2. Okay, so options here are 110000 base 2. Option B says 110000 base 2. Option C says 11000 base 2. And option D says 110 base 2. Okay. Yeah, can we just give it a try? So, okay. So we have 1011 base 2 all squared minus 101 base 2 all squared. So how do we convert? We have 1011 base 2. We want to convert it to base 10. This is equals to 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2. This is of degree 0, degree 1, degree 0, degree 2, and this is of degree 3. This is equals to 2 raised to power 3 is 8. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 2 raised to power 2 is 4, 4 times 0 is 0, plus 2 raised to power 1 is 2, 1 times 2 is 2, plus 2 raised to power 0 is 1, 1 times 1 is 1. So our final answer here is 8 plus 2, 10, and that is giving us 11. So for the second one, we have 101 base 2. We want to convert that to base 10. So we are going to have here 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. Degree 0, degree 1, degree what? Degree 2. So we have here 1 times 2 raised power 2 is 4, plus 0 times 2 raised power 1 is 0, plus 1 times 2 raised power 0 is 1. Why? Because 2 raised power 0 is 1, and 1 times 1 is what? 1. So our final answer here is 5. So definitely our calculation is now going to be 11 squared minus what? 5 squared in base 10, converting those numbers from base 2 to base 10. So how do we solve it? We have 11 squared. 11 squared, this is a theorem called difference of 2 squared. To solve this without calculator, difference of 2 squared, where we have a squared minus b squared, is the same thing as saying a plus b into bracket a minus b. So applying that here, we are going to have 11 plus 5 minus into bracket 11 minus 5. So 11 plus 5 is what? 16. And 11 minus 5 is what? 4. So 16 times 4. 11 minus 5 is not 4. 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. So we are going to have here 16 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6. 9. 6 plus 3, that is 9. We have 96 base 10. Check. Is our option in base 10? Definitely no. So we have to convert 96 in base 10 to base 2. How do we convert? Draw your division line. 96 to base 2. So 96 divided by 2 is going to give us 48. Write your remainder 0. 96, 48 divided by 2, we have here 24, remainder 0. 24 divided by 2, we have here 12, remainder 0. 12 divided by 2, we have here 6, remainder 0. 6 divided by 2, we have here 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2, we have here 1, remainder 1. And 1 divided by 2, we are going to have 0, remainder 1. So our final answer from bottom to top is going to be 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 with 5 zeros, base 2. So that is the final answer for that. So the best option is option B. Option B is the correct option. Question 7. Question 7 is from the year 2008, which is question 1 of that year. So it says add 1 1 0 1 base 2, comma 1 0 1 1 1 base 2, comma 1 1 1 base 2. We are going to add these three numbers in base 2. So, okay, option 1 says, option A says 1 1 1 0 1 1 base 2. Option B says 1 1 0 1 1 0 base 2. Option C says 1 0 1 0 1 1 base 2. Option D says 1 0 1 0 1 0 base 2. Can we just give it a try? Okay. Now, let's just arrange it to make it work easier. We have first number 1 1 0 1 base 2. Second number starting from the left 1 1 1 0 1. Just arrange it very well. The next number is 1 1 1 base 2, all in base 2. We have that. To add this, we have 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. We can't write 3 here because 3 is not a base 2 number. So we have to find a derivative of 3 in base 2. So how do we do that? We have 3. That number, dividing that number by 2 is going to give us 1, remainder 1. So therefore, we are going to write 1 as the remainder 1. Then you keep the whole number, this second one. That's what we are keeping. So the next one, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is still 3. We can't write 3 for same reason. So we have to divide it, and the same The answer here is 1, remainder 1, still the same thing. So we have to write the remainder 1, keep the whole number. 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus 1, that is 3, plus 1, that is 4. 4 is not a base 2 number, so we have to get the derivative. 4 divided by 2, which is equals to 4 in 2, that is 2. Remainder what? Remainder 0. So what we are writing here is the remainder, which is 0, and you keep the whole number, which is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. And our 3 is not a base 2 number, same reason. So we have to find the derivative of that, which is 1 remainder 1. Write our remainder, you keep the whole number. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 still is not a base 2 number. We have to get the derivative. That is 2 divided by 2 equals to 1 remainder 0. We write our remainder, we keep our 1. So nothing is here. We have 1 plus nothing, still 1. So this is the final answer, all in base 2. So the correct option for that is option C, 101011 base 2.